Hey guys, welcome to TechiesGuru. Today we'll be learning how to avoid ferries on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to avoid ferries on Google Maps, first open up the Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us, which is just below your data in maps. Tap on settings and this kind of interface will appear. Again, scroll down to the bottom and you can find your navigation settings over here. Tap on navigation settings and again scroll down, and you can see, guys, over here under the category of route options, you can see the third option where it says avoid ferries. Now, in order to avoid ferries on the route from Google Maps, make sure the toggle icon at the right side of the avoid ferries is turned on like this, and then you'll start to avoid ferries on the route from Google Maps. And with that being said, guys, this is how to avoid ferries on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.